acceleration. Let us look at the scene again. Did you observe the bus picking up speed? You know that the bus driver accelerated to overtake the car. What was he doing when he was taking the turn? Did he accelerate then too? The bus slowed down before it came to a halt. Is this also called acceleration? Let us consider the movements in parts and learn about acceleration. The speedometers of the bus and the car are displayed here. Observe the needle of the speedometer. When the bus overtook the car, the speed of the bus increased from 10 km per hour to 25 km per hour. While the bus was taking a turn, speed of the bus remained at 25 km per hour. But the bus was changing its direction of movement. Any change in speed or direction of motion requires acceleration. So in both instances, we see acceleration. When the bus slowed down, the speed of the bus decreased from 25 km per hour to 15 km per hour. We say that the bus was decelerating. Did you know that the opposite of accelerate is decelerate? We also call it negative acceleration. But the car maintained a speed of 15 km per hour. When the speed remains the same and the direction of movement does not change, no acceleration is taking place. We call this zero acceleration. You have learnt that speed in a particular direction is called velocity. Acceleration is the rate at which a body changes its speed or the direction of its motion. Thus, we can say that acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. It is a vector quantity. When velocity increases, we say that there is positive acceleration. When velocity reduces, we say there is negative acceleration. When velocity does not change, we say there is zero acceleration. Acceleration is equal to change in velocity by time. A is equal to v minus u by t, where a is the acceleration, u the initial velocity, v is the final velocity, and t the time taken. Unit of acceleration is meter per second squared. Thus, if a moving object with a velocity of 10 meters per second towards east reaches the velocity of 50 meters per second towards east in 5 seconds, its acceleration is given by A is equal to v minus u by t is equal to 50 minus 10 by 5 is equal to 8 meters per second per second. Therefore, acceleration of this moving object is 8 meters per second squared. You know that all objects are attracted towards the earth by the force of gravity. This ball is being thrown up in the air. Now watch the movement of the ball in slow motion. The speed of the ball decreases as it moves up. Since velocity decreases, we say there is negative acceleration. The ball halts for a fraction of a second. Its speed here is 0. The ball now starts falling. Observe that the speed of the ball increases during the fall. Increase in velocity means that there is positive acceleration. What produces this change in velocity? The force of gravity pulls the object to the earth, increasing its velocity. Force of gravity produces acceleration in all freely falling objects, and this is known as acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity is denoted by g, and its value is 9.8 meters per second squared.